Welcome to anypos How to Video. How to see sales transactions in Web POS. To see transactions, click on Transaction tab. Here you can see all your transactions. You can see various information, such as amount, tax, the branch, the payment type, the status. Is it a refunded invoice? Or it's a paid order? You can also see who's the salesperson. You can filter the transactions by the payment methods. Date range, and much more. You can also view any transaction by clicking on this button. You can print the invoice again. You can also download this invoice. This feature is available in any POS mobile app and portal. Thank you for watching.